Okay, so today I'm going to be showing another video. Today we are doing here. So, if you've noticed my builder chicken video already, I noticed there's one comment on there. I forgot the name of the commenter, but as I noticed, this is one of my few comments I've ever had. So, I would actually prefer to answer that comment. Or, how do these builders work? As you can see here, this is Bedrock Edition Minecraft, showing off how they work, and I'll probably play with a bit more commands as well. I'll try to show everything that is here, as since commands is one of my favorite things to play around with within Minecraft, I'll continue doing that for a bit. Let's enter the command block. Protected it to protect it from the chickens. So, this is what the command is saying at the moment, but this is the command. It's actually pretty simple. Or /execute a name equals builder, squiggly, 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 set block, squiggly, 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 1, planks 2. It's pretty simple. Well, you can read it from here, and that's what causes all the chickens. You can change whatever block you want by changing the planks, and then the number is for block data, which basically, because certain blocks like planks is written into one category, but basically there's several different block datas for it. Planks 2 is birch. Plank 0 is oak. And then there's several other types of planks. So. I don't actually see. I don't actually just see something. Thank you for wondering, I gave this to myself and it doesn't do anything. Item.spawn.on egg.name. I guess there's a thing like that and does absolutely nothing. And it's gone. Okay. I think I might have had a command block deleting all items, so it's still alive. So I want to do something I think I heard of this. Give P 10 10. As you can see, there's a wooden slab. Actually, let me see. So I set lock. I think this is still in the game. I'm just wondering. I read it on the Minecraft page. I think it was. Okay, so wooden strap. Head bound. Brrr. Brrr. There's birch stairs. Slab. I don't know if this. I don't know, 5. I don't know. I know there once was. I know that originally wooden slabs were considered stone-based, stonish blocks. The first wood, when the only obtainable wood, was oak wood. They were just wood. That was it. But I don't know if I can get them. Okay, I don't know how you did it. I don't know if they still do it, but I want to do one thing. You can see these ginormous structures. If you're wondering how I created them, let's do this. My favorite command to type in chat. E to at P. Poof. Poof. And we have a ginormous structure with the chickens. With this chicken doing a build. Interesting build. these look like they defy physics, but the chickens are flying. So if it was a villager, it would be way different. So probably be dying sometimes when they're building these structures, but as you can tell, it's pretty interesting. I have a stucculum. A stucculum. How many creepers and skeletons do I have? I'm just summoning a butt ton of creepers. At the bottom. I fill this pen with creepers. This is the shooting gallery. I don't know if the creepers will like the shooting gallery. This is the creeper shooting galley. One side. Actually, I don't know. Maybe I should. I'm gonna do a TP80 to at P, but this time it's gonna be in a different position where everything will fly crazy. P at E to at P. Everything done, there's an army of creepers here. Gate. There's the creeper knockout center. I want them to shoot those creepers. Okay, this place is insane with the cloud cover. It's Cloudland. I'm gonna make some builders. Go to the builders. Donk. I'm actually gonna change the block that the builders are using. It's annoying. There's so much cloud cover. Okay, the clouds are moving, but there's a humongous mass. And be a very big mass. Okay, let's fall through. Where is that thing? It's in the mess of these chickens. Very messy chickens. Okay, how do I navigate this place? Okay, the box is still standing. Are all the blocks still this dark wood? All except that corner block. That corner block. That's it. Okay. We're going to do planks 2. Let's planks 3. What is planks 3? I'm wondering. Planks 3. Ooh, jungle. Well, all the chickens are building jungle things now. There go the chickens to ruin my build. Actually, that's horrible, because... Actually, I think they should be okay. They'll just make my entrance weird. I'm gonna CPIE to the middle of this creeper. Let's turn this into a killing ground. Goodness. What remain in this crowded place is pretty little. This is basically the Skylands. I think they should be building. This is the Skylands. But instead of building with wood, they should be building. Maybe I should make like a giant survival structure where basically the world is composed of crazy command block makes like this. I can use clone as well. I actually will have a good idea for clone. I'm just gonna stick it in this command block box. This place is so crowded with the extra chickens. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put another command block. This is execute eat type equals creeper. Colon that add that to that 10 that 10 that 10 that 10 to that negative 20 to that negative 20 that negative 20. Repeat. Active Atlantics. 3 because of how laggy this is. Okay. Yeah, even then it's laggy. Okay. Goodness, I didn't do it fourfold, or else this would have gone crazy. Okay, there's a very little. There is some creepers. So, what does the mess look like? Watch, they clone it to negative 20. So, they clone what's from here to negative 20. They don't seem to be doing it. Let's check what the command block thinks. I forgot to do so. I don't think the command block likes this. His house is like too many creepers. So where is the command block in this maze of stuffs? Where is the command block in this maze of stuffs? There it is. What do you think? It says it's cloned. Well, let's first do that every 10 so that it's less laggy. Better. If anything, I can live with this. What is this gonna do when I activate it? Because it says it's working. Clock's clone. Any of the coordinates was negative. Now, in terms of influencing chicken creeper's surroundings, it doesn't do much. Let's go down to see what it's doing. There's a huge filled-in shot, which I don't think is good. Oh. of course, could lead to disaster if a creeper came here, but my conclusion is, so it says it's working. So it's not influencing creeper surroundings. Is there any creepers in this area? No. Close it to -20. -20 below it. Oh. And since it closed bottom corner, that simply means if I put a creeper up here, it's gonna clone it below. Right? Ooh. Sure, I turn this place into it. 20 blocks below, what does it look like? Not much. So 20 blocks below these creepers. Where is 20 blocks below these creepers? So 137, that means 1, 7, and at 1, 7, there doesn't seem to be any action. Or -20. So -20 away at 1, 7, and then -20 this way. So 1. Now, there's a mouse here. Let's change the wood that we're using again. So, yeah, this is interesting already. Having lots of lag with this creeper-based crazy experiment. I think the creeper fell to within 20 of the place. It looks like creepers have fallen deeper too. Which means these command blocks are in danger. I think that's too... I think it should go. I think it should go like that. That's better. It just generates a bit closer. Okay, now, what do we see where the creepers once were? From Earth's perspective, -10 there isn't much. And what if we put them in the other side though? They're climbing a lot more. That's good. Now I have no more enemies. This creeper is doing absolutely nothing. I descend down. What does the command block think? It should happen every half second. I have no idea what it's doing. Well, we can play with something else. Okay, let's see. I thought it was a... So, I think there's something else I think there was something interesting I could do with Ride. Now. So, I'm going to try that. So, Right. So I forgot how ride works. Ride. To ride. Let's say rides. Summon rider. So slash ride. Right. Let's choose what entities do we have? B. Pig. D. Then pig space equals. Nope, not that. Pig equals type space equals pig. What was it like? Ride. Summon rider. Okay. B. So that looks good. So let's make sure you have a lever and a pig. Okay, so what are actually E equals can and her zombie become babe. I wonder what this does. Got it. Got it. What is happening? The creeper might be doing that if the creeper thing is still alive. Well, we have a rider. Yes. Chicken, what's this chicken plan to do? Chicken? Does chicken want to follow seeds with zombie? I'm gonna make sure that zombie stays alive here. Chicken? We have a path. Chicken? Goodness, it looks really weird. Okay, I discovered how to ride them. So, because I knew that baby zombies like to ride chickens. So I was like, okay, zombies can ride chickens. Become baby didn't work, but either way, even using adult zombies seems to work. Okay. Well, that's interesting. I can make zombie jockeys. Okay. I can also equip skeletons to spiders. So let's get seats. I'm holding it. Let's hold the pig. Oh, I'm searching for seats. Seats. Come. Can chicken absolutely not move? Yay! Go, chicken. Head to the ground. Head to the ground. Okay, we'll continue heading to the ground. Oh, that was fun. Well, we can make an army of chickens with zombies on them. Let's play with that. Chicken. Spawn pig. Spawn builder. Someone 1 million builders. Okay. That's right. Well, we got a lot of builders. That was fun. Yay! The builder chicken. Does chicken like seeds? I guess I can't feed a chicken jockey. Chicken jockeys don't like seeds. These chickens do. Oh, this is interesting. I'll take a picture of this. Boop. Okay. That was fun. Let's think of something else. I think that's probably good for this video, so I'll be bye. See you in the next video.